With the holidays right around the corner and Amazon dropping 4 new Kindles to choose from, you're probably in the market to upgrade, get yourself a new Kindle, or you're maybe looking up some research to pick the perfect Kindle for a loved one to gift this season. This video here is going to be your ultimate guide on how to pick the right one for your needs and have the perfect starter kit to get you on your Kindle journey today. Hey, hi, hello, my name is Myra. I am your favorite productivity loving Slytherin and also your certified Kindle loving bestie. I started my Kindle journey about 2 years at this point, and I would consider myself not so much of a reader. So I kind of give the perspective of maybe the average person getting into reading for the first time. If you want to check out those videos and see my overall Kindle journey, I will definitely leave a playlist up above in the card for you to check out after you finish watching this video. But first, let's get into the ultimate Kindle guide, figuring out which Kindle you need, the accessories and additional things to make the Kindle absolutely perfect, and to not have this be yet another device you have just laying around your house. So let's get into it. So first things first, we have to get in what is going to be the best option for you and make sure that you're choosing the correct Kindle for your needs. Amazon just dropped 4 new Kindles, and with bright and shiny new devices, it's so exciting to try to get the newest and top of the line thing. But let's be realistic here for yourself. What is it that you're looking for, or what is it that the person you're gifting this is actually looking for in the Kindle? So let's start out with the basics. The Kindle Basics is actually the one that I have. Now, of course, they're gonna have a newer version this year. Now, I actually have the model under it. And honestly, I would say this Kindle is perfect for those who love to read on the go, need something compact, very lightweight to throw in their bag, have it as make their way to work. If that is something that you're looking for, the basic model is going to be for you. Now, of course, we have the most popular, the Kindle Paperwhite. You get a lot more features than the basic one here, a lot more adjustability with the backlighting. It's absolutely perfect to read at night, as well as it is slightly bigger than the Kindle Basic. This is the one that I am actually considering upgrading to and having my basic Kindle be the one that is on the go when I do travel, and that is the one that I can throw in my bag versus having the Paperwhite that will be right next to me bedside when I'm ready to read. Both of these devices have incredible battery life, so it's not something that you have to really think about charging on a daily basis. My basic Kindle, I maybe charge it every 3 months, y'all. Like, it is not something that you have to remember to keep on the charger, and when you go to it, it's going to be dead. The battery life on these things are absolutely stunning. Now, the price point for the Kindle Basic is going to be about $110, and the price point for the Kindle Paperwhite is going to be about $160. So there is a bit, about $50 difference in between. So it really just comes down to what exactly you need on your daily basis between the two. I think I am going to go ahead and upgrade to the Paperwhite, or maybe even this next one, which is the newest and shiniest thing coming to Amazon within the Kindle family, which is the Kindle Colorsoft. So right now, the Kindle Colorsoft is available for pre-order. It should be available within the next few weeks. So if you go ahead and pre-order this, you would definitely have it in hand and ready to go before the holiday season if you're looking to gift this one. Now, I will say the price point of this bad boy, it's pretty steep. It is definitely pretty steep, starting out at $279. It is a pretty steep price, but I think this device is going to be perfect for those of you who love to read graphic novels. Now, looking and comparing like the Paperwhite to the Colorsoft, that is the biggest difference I see here. Obviously, you do get the same inches in screen. The Paperwhite is going to be a 7-inch as well as the Colorsoft. And a lot of the options are going to be about the same. This battery life is showing that it will be about 8 weeks, which is still pretty good when you sit and think about it. So versus the Kindle Basic and the Kindle Paperwhite being about 12 weeks, this one is going to be about 8. So you do get a little less battery life, and obviously it makes perfect sense that the Colorsoft is going to be about 8 weeks of battery life since the device is in full color. it is going to use much more energy than the Kindle Basic and the Kindle Paperwhite. So that is something to keep in mind. However, 8 weeks of battery life is still pretty good in such a device. So I think for my biggest takeaway on this one, if you are someone or the person you are gifting this to is an avid graphic novel reader, I think this device is worth it. However, if you're just looking to just read normal books and don't mind seeing the cover of the book in a grayscale, you can just go with the Kindle Paperwhite. I think you will be just fine with that. And the first new Kindle on the list is the Kindle Scribe, and this is the Kindle that is basically a notebook built in between. Now, I think this device may be perfect for students who are in college, high school, who really is an avid reader but also need a device to go ahead and jot down notes with and have this larger screen to make as a notebook as well. As far as the reading aspect of it, it's a lot of the same features as we mentioned before. The only feature that doesn't seem to pass along to the Kindle Scribe is that it's waterproof, but also it kind of makes sense with this being a quote-unquote writing device. I don't think I would be technically writing near a body of water, but hey, you know, that may be something that you do and maybe something that will be a positive for you. But unfortunately, it doesn't have the waterproof on this device. Honestly, for the price point of $399, 400 bucks, I just don't see the benefit in it. If you are a Kindle Scribe person, please jot it down in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. And you know, here on this platform, it's each one teach one. So we absolutely value your opinion. And if you want to let us know the full details of what is the benefit and how you love the Kindle Scribe, definitely please drop it down below. Okay, so now you have an idea of what Kindle to actually get. Let's talk about the accessories that you may need. Now, of course, Amazon has all the freaking accessories that you can think of with brand new covers and cases that you can add to as well. But personally, I think you can get just as far with a clear case. This clear case really allows you to add your own personality. And y'all know I am a huge fan of creating the atmosphere and creating the device that makes you want to continue to pick it up. I do have a few videos going through on how I decorate my Kindle, so if you need a little bit of ideas, I definitely will link those videos up above in the card that you can check out after watching this one. But truly, the clear case runs about 10 bucks. I'm gonna round it up to between 10 and 20 bucks depending on what device that you do end up picking up. And it just snaps right onto it. You can add stickers to the background. I am a fan of adding skins, and I love to get my skins from Sticky Tech, so you can definitely check them out. All the skins that you see in those other videos are from Sticky Tech as well. There's so many different designs and so many different things you can choose from that can really speak to your personality, or if you just want to switch it up as far as the color. I typically lean towards getting the device that is as neutral as the color as possible, so maybe a black. I try not to go towards the very fancy colors because I am one who kind of change with the moods. So I love doing those skins from Sticky Tech to where if I want something a little bit brighter, I can put it on top of my black Kindle and it doesn't look so distracting and obvious that it's a skin on it. It kind of looks like it is a part of the Kindle, and I can easily take it off with no residue and go on to a new color, or heck, just use my black for a while. And also, of course, you can decorate with different papers. I love to use like papers found from like Michael's. Those not construction paper, but like maybe scrapbook type of paper that is typically around the scrapbooking area in Michael's. There's so many different designs to choose from. And also love adding my stickers. I love getting different vinyl stickers. You can find a ton from Etsy. Some of my favorite shops includes the Honey Bee shop for different types of vinyl stickers. So I'll definitely leave a list down below of different sites you can check out if you want to like pick out different stickers to include in your Kindle. Now, we chit chat a lot about things you can add to your Kindle as far as accessories. to brighten it and make it your own personality, let's talk a little bit about customizing that screen. Now, I've done a few videos on how exactly to customize your lock screen, so feel free to check those out. I will leave those up above in the card as well. Right now, I am using my Cozy Girl set for my Kindle lock screen, and I have that up on my Etsy shop. So if you love those kind of screens, you can definitely check it out. And I have all the directions once you purchase it to get it onto your Kindle screen. If you have any issues, feel free to message me. I'll definitely help you out. A few additional things that I think you should add to your Kindle as well is a pop socket. These little pop sockets are something that I didn't think that I would really like. I never really liked them on my phone, but they are absolutely perfect for cozy reading with your Kindle. It really relieves the graphs that you have on the Kindle itself. Now, while it does fit, especially the basic one, it does technically fit in my hand and I can, but holding it for a long time like this, it's not pleasant. So the pop socket does help out a lot to kind of ease that grip and make it a lot easier on your hands to hold. And there's so many different designs. Again, you can play around with it to make it fit your personality. Y'all know I have a Hogwarts one, I have a sorting hat one, so different ones that kind of fit my Harry Potter loving personality. But there are so many designs out there. I know my Target even has like a whole pop socket collection, so you can really pick out different things that fit your personality, and they are fairly affordable as well. So definitely pick out a pop socket to add on to your Kindle as well. Also love adding on the dust plug, not only to, you know, protect my plug from dust, but you can have those that you can add little charms and things to. I like to create my own with different charms that I find at Michael's and just use some string to kind of thread them on. There are a ton of them on sale on Etsy and different shops that you can pick up if you prefer to have it already made for you and to support a small business this holiday season. There's so many options to kind of add that little bit of personality to your Kindle as well. And last but not least, if you're like me and love reading in the bed and love being all cozied up and don't even have to hold your Kindle, definitely think about picking up a gooseneck that you can attach your Kindle to and have it sitting over in your bedside. You can then just tap the screen when you're ready to go to the next page, or if you want to get even fancier, they have page turners as well. And don't worry, if you want a full list of everything that I mentioned in this video, as well as an ultimate guide to get you going, I definitely have a link down below to where you can pick up the different items to check out and be well on your way to having the ultimate Kindle. So there you have it. This is your ultimate Kindle starter kit, from picking the right device to adding the different accessories to fit your personality. This video is definitely going to get you well on your way. Definitely leave your thoughts and opinions down below. If you have anything else that I did not mention that you think someone new would absolutely love with their Kindle, please drop them in the comments. I love talking all things Kindle with y'all. These are some of my favorite videos to make, so definitely chime in down below. And if you do end up picking up a new Kindle, please let me know. If you share it on social media, give me a tag so I can see what you came up with your device. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to hit that like button so more people like you and me can come across this video and become a part of our Cozy Productivity family. But if you're in the mood to learn a little bit more about Kindle and other cozy tech devices, I got you. Be sure to check out this playlist here, and I will see you over there.